Hello all. Peace. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Having my 420 honey oil puff. Dab, as they say. Happy 420 all. And at the same time, I'm in the process of peeling my apples and pears for my smoothies through the winter time. I'm just going to cut them up and prep them up and freezer bag them. Happy 420. Another beautiful day here on Vancouver Island. Again, that's why you always see me posting cough cough since I was yay 12 years old, as a matter of fact. I've always coughed. Anyhow, back to what I'm doing here. I am prepping up my smoothies. There's my pears and my apples. Yeah. And I guess I need my glasses to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to probably spend the next hour peeling all my fruits, and cutting them up, prepping them up. I know everybody's trying to figure out the quickest, easiest way to peel these things, but hey, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Peel away. And this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House, prepping up my smoothies. And freezer bags are up here. Gotta have the freezer bags. So one bag of apples, be one bag of pears. Alright, peace all. Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Prepping up his smoothies for the winter. Peace all.